Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Roselle and today we're talking about builder's risk insurance. What it is, what it covers, how much it costs and who needs it. And if you need coverage fast, Farmer Brown Insurance has got you covered. Builder's risk insurance is protection for buildings under construction or renovation. It covers physical damage to your project like fire, theft, vandalism, bad weather, even materials in transit or stored off-site. Unlike general liability, which protects against third-party claims, builder's risk protects the project itself. So, what's included? Well, hard costs, the building, materials, and equipment. Soft costs like extra expenses from delays like loan interest or permits. Cleanup costs like debris removal and pollutant cleanup. Most policies cover risks like fire, wind, theft, and collapse, but things like flood, earthquakes, or design defects usually need extra coverage, something Farmer Brown Insurance can help you add. But how much does it cost? Typically 1 to 5% of your project's value. Smaller buildings may run about $100 to $300 per month, depending on location, project size, and risk level. So who needs it? Contractors and property owners usually purchase this policy, but architects, engineers, even subcontractors can be added if they have a financial stake in the project. The main goal is to make sure everyone is protected. So to wrap it up, builder's risk insurance is your safety net. It keeps your projects, materials, and timeline protected from costly disruptions. Get started today at farmerbrown.com or give us a call at the number on your screen for a free quote. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comment section. And I'll see you next time.